Hello everyone, I just bought Beardo trimmer from Flipkart at just rupees 1399, that is $20. So if you are planning to buy this trimmer, this video could help you. So this is how the box looks like. So it is the Beardo multi-purpose trimmer. Let me remove the cover. This is how it looks like, and this is the back. The MRP actually says 2440. So let me unbox this. The box looks pretty good, and it keeps all things proper. So we have the dock for storage in the back and the charger and the main trimmer and the clipper blades in the front. So this is what I said, the dock for storage. You can keep all your blades and trimmer here, and this is the charger, and the charger cable supports USB type. So if you have a Android phone, you can charge the trimmer with your mobile charge as well. So let's open the trimmer. We have a plastic cover holding all not to fall. Let me open the trimmer. It looks really good. You have the Beardo icon in the front and a curvy fit in the back. The adjuster, and you have a power button. So you can see the green light indicating the battery. The lights are really cool. Let me keep it here. And these are shaver blade. The other blade which supports from 11 mm to 20 mm space. And this is the shaver blade. Let's keep it here. And this is the air and noise clipper blade. And this is the precision clipper. If you want to make some lines or some precise cut. And this is an additional comb adjustment. Let it keep it here. And we have a comb as well. We also have a cleaning brush. And finally the lubricating oil for the blades as well as the joints which combines the trimmer and the individual blades. So these are all the contents of the box. It really holds well, but you cannot move. It may fall, so it doesn't comes with a pouch or something. So I'm just going to put the mobile charger to see if it is charging or not. Yeah, it's charging, so you don't have to carry another charger with you while you are on the go. For charging, it is indicating in red. Even if the battery is full, it is showing as red. And in the back side, we have the clip adjustment, and the one that comes with the trimmer is having a size of 1 to 10 mm. And to remove the clipper, you just have to unfold one end, and the second end will automatically comes easily. As said, the adjustment is in the back. So it's plastic material only, but it is weighing solid, so it's good. So these are the inbox content, and it also comes with a manual of how to use this trimmer. So let me have a trim here. I'm just recording the audio in another video, so you may not hear the trimmer sound, but the sound is not very much noisy, so it's not a problem. So I'm not going to take your time, so I'm just running through, and I'll show you the difference of my pre and post trimming. So thank you for watching, and please install the Google extension flipshop.com to see the price variation, because the price differ between 1399 and 1599. So get the price correct and buy it. Thank you.